Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious iceberg lettuce salad. First, let's get our lettuce ready. Begin by carefully removing any bruised or wilted outer leaves from your head of iceberg. Then, give the remaining crisp leaves a good rinse under cool, flowing water to remove any dirt or debris. It's super important to get them completely dry afterwards, so use a salad spinner or gently pat them with paper towels. This step ensures your dressing will cling perfectly to every bite. Now that our lettuce is clean and dry, it's time to chop it up. Cut the head into 4 equal wedges, then carefully remove the tough core from each section. Next, chop the crisp lettuce into bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch squares. This size is perfect for easy eating. For a classic base, you might also want to add some other crunchy vegetables, like a cup of sliced cucumbers or a handful of halved cherry tomatoes, to your salad bowl. The dressing is key to a fantastic iceberg salad. You have many options, but a simple homemade vinaigrette is always a winner. Try whisking together 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of your favorite vinegar, like red wine or apple cider, plus a pinch of salt and pepper. If you prefer something creamier, classic ranch or a tangy blue cheese dressing also complement the crispness of iceberg lettuce beautifully. Choose what you love. We're almost ready to enjoy our delicious salad. The golden rule for crispness is to add your dressing right before you plan to serve. Pour your chosen dressing over the prepared lettuce and other vegetables. Then, gently toss everything together until every piece is evenly coated. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, consider garnishing with a 1/4 cup of crunchy croutons, a few tablespoons of crumbled bacon, or a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. Enjoy your fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.